In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger enterprise, understanding these steps will streamline your financial operations and help keep your inventory records accurate and up to date. Let's begin by checking your current inventory status. To do this, head over to the left panel in QuickBooks Online and click on Sales. Once you've done that, find and click on the Products and Services tab. This section is your command center for everything related to your products and services. Here, you'll see a list detailing all the products and services you offer. For physical products, you'll be able to view the quantity you already have on hand, which is perfect for ensuring you stay on top of your stock levels. Now, let's move on to adding more inventory and recording any expenses associated with it. Essential steps if you're bringing new stock into your business. First, look towards the top left of your screen and click on New. This should prompt a drop-down menu. From this menu, click on Expense. This is where you'll begin entering the purchase details for the inventory you're adding. Next, you'll need to input specific information about where your inventory came from. Enter the vendor details, the company or individual you purchased from. It's also important to select the correct account this expense should be recorded under. This might be your accounts payable or directly associated with your inventory asset account. Choose the payment method you used when the purchase took place. This could be cash, check, credit card, or any other method that applies. Adding these details ensures that your financial records remain accurate and reflect all aspects of the transaction. With the vendor details and payment information set, it's time to add the inventory item itself. Scroll down the page to find where you can input the item information. Here, select the specific inventory item from your existing list, or manually input a new one if necessary. Then, enter the quantity of items purchased. This precise data entry is critical as it directly affects your inventory count and cost tracking. Once everything is entered accurately, click Save and Close. Doing this will record the expense in your transaction list, a key action for maintaining a transparent financial history. To verify, you can go back to your inventory list under Products and Services, and you'll see that the added quantity has automatically updated to reflect this new purchase. And that's everything you need to know today. You've now successfully learned how to receive and pay for inventory in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your inventory and financial records stay accurate and up to date. This process is efficient and will save you time, enabling you to focus more on growing your business.